guys, I'm back at the ATC regional thing. It's not the Harbor's Ferry one, which was really confusing to me for some reason. Yeah, it's just the regional thing, and I don't know. My plan today is just to, I don't know, there's a shelter in 25 or 24, I think this is 24. There's a shelter in like 14. So I think my goal is for the shelter in 14, but like if I'm feeling good, I'll push it. It's flat for the first 8 miles, and then there's also a truck stop with a Denny's or something. I really don't know. That I think I'm gonna stop at and get something to eat. So yeah. So I'm back on trail. You're probably wondering like, yo, why did you get off trail? I had to go to the truck stop to charge my phone because it was dropping like a brick. So I wanted to grab something to eat quick while I did that. So like I also got a bigger brick that can actually charge my anchor. So yeah, and I made a reservation to stay at the hostel at the Outfitter in Duncannon, which I should do tomorrow. I'm gonna be there tomorrow. So yeah, and because Duncannon's only like 22 miles away. So yeah, I'll knock like part of that out today, and then I'll just be there tomorrow. So I made it to the shelter, and I'm literally walking away to end this, but like, yeah, first up, I am, yeah, at the shelter, did about 15 miles, I want to say today. I got like 10 or 11 tomorrow to Duncannon. I guess the plan is to hopefully find like no more excuses, basically, and send it, but yeah, I think that's it. So, yeah, continuing north tomorrow. Peace.